Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to customize your lace closures. So this is my lace closure. I'm using a 40 volume developer with BW2 lightening powder, and I just mix it to a pancake consistency. So then what I do is just apply the bleach to the lace only. What you want to do is like gently lay the bleach on the lace so that it doesn't bleed through and bleach the hair. So bleaching your lace closure, your knots on your lace closure, is just going to make it look more natural once you install it to your head or once you make it into a wig. So once I'm done putting on the bleach, I'm just going to turn it over on aluminum foil and let it process. This closure processed really quick, so I rinsed it out after about maybe like 8 or 9 minutes. And so what I'm doing is just rinsing the product out of the lace. So once I rinse it out, I'm just going to add this shampoo to it. This is a neutralizing shampoo. People use it when they get relaxers. You know, it turns pink if the product is not out. It kind of works the same when you bleaching your hair. It'll still be like a little pink. So you'll just keep washing until the soap turns, until the suds turn white. So after I've shampooed it a couple times, I'm going to shampoo it with this purple shampoo. This is a shimmering light shampoo. So the reason I'm using purple shampoo is because I don't want my lace to have like that orangish tint that, you know, some people lace have. So I'm just going to apply this purple and it's going to take out the brassiness of the closure. So once I'm done with that step, this is how the closure looks, and I'm going to start to pluck around the hairline, and plucking just gives it a more natural look also. So actually on the hairline, I'm going to pluck first, and then I'm going to part behind it and start plucking. Now, to start off, look at that scalp. You see how natural the scalp already looks? See, bleaching already did a lot to it. So plucking is going to, just add to it. So I just part and then pluck and then part and then pluck. In a minute, you're going to see that I'm going to start parting at an angle. You don't have to do that. That's just something that I did. So when you're plucking your frontal closure, whatever you're plucking, just take your time because really it's so easy to overpluck. And when you overpluck, like it's over for your closure or your frontal. So you'll have to, tweak it to make it look right. You don't want to have to tweak. So just take your time and, pluck your closure. So what plucking does is thin out the hairline and give you a more natural look because nobody hairline is really like super thick how these closures and frontals come. So it's just another step to making it look natural. And as you can see, this is how it looks now. And it looks really natural. I like it. If you would like, you can pluck as much hair as you want. This is how it looks before, not natural. And then this is how it looks now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is the closure that I bleached. If you want to see how I cut this bob, I will post the video later and I'll have the link below. Bye.